Teach your kids to take on new responsibilities with this easy DIY step stool with a little bit of storage to help the kids step up, take charge, and help them reach new heights. Hi, I'm Rosa. I am your DIY carpentry expert, and this is my daughter Melania.
Hi.
And what I really love to do is teach parents and kids how to get together and build really great projects. First step, we're gonna create our legs. Using your 2x2s, you're gonna need 4 17-inch pieces and 4 11-inch pieces. I'm gonna hold them in place and I would like you to come and drill. So you're gonna take your 2-inch screws and come right in through the center. Great. And take the second 11-inch piece and join it at 4 inches from the bottom to the 2 17-inch pieces. There we go. And then we're just gonna repeat this for the other side. Let's build a box. We're gonna add our pocket holes to our 17.5-inch boards. We're gonna place the pocket hole jig onto the board and secure it with a C-clamp.
Do you call it a C-clamp because it's the shape of a C?
Sure do.
What's a pocket hole?
A pocket hole is a way that we're going to hide our screws when we connect our board. The pocket hole allows the screw to sit deep into the wood so that it's not visible to people when they go to look at your furniture. See? So now when you look on the outside, there's no screws.
Yeah.
It gives us a nice professional look. Let's get this box done, girl. Good job. So now all we have to do is add our plywood bottom, okay? So I want you to go ahead and add some glue around the entire top. So just place this on here. Line it all up, and I'm going to attach the bottom using something called a brad nailer.
What'll happen if you don't have a brad nailer?
If you don't have a brad nailer, you could just use a hammer and nails, and it'll work just as well. Okay? Okay. Hold it in place for me. Thank you. So now, we got us a box. Let's build a step for the step stool. We're gonna need 3 pieces of 1x8, 2 at 11.5 inches, and 1 at 18.5 inches. Just put some glue about halfway. Good job. We're gonna put a screw at each end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Yes, get that. And we're a step closer to being done. So now let's begin to put this all together. We're just gonna line the leg up to the top. Wood glue me. Wood glue me, baby.
Okay.
No, not me, girl. My box. I need a leg up. I'm just all full of witty jokes today. Leg up, step up. Not funny?
No.
I can't tell dad jokes?
No. How do you drop an egg on concrete without cracking it?
Do you boil it first?
Nope. Because an egg can't crack concrete.
That was a good one. Ooh! Look at that. Boom. We want our step to be able to slide out so that we can step up. So we're gonna add draw slides to the insides of the lower supports of the leg. This is a draw slide. This is gonna allow our step to come out and go in. I'm gonna go ahead and attach these rails with these little screws. They actually come in the package with the rails.
That sounds nice.
It is. It's kind of like a one-stop shop. Look at that. Our drawer guides are on, and all we have to do is attach our step to our step stool. Boom, done. There we go. Yes, look at that. Woo!
All right, let's add some paint.
Let's add some paint, girl. Let's do this.
If you want to be spray painting, make sure that you're doing this in a well-ventilated space, and if you don't have one, you can also do it outside.
I was thinking we could start off with this brown, do a base color, and then add a really cool like geometric design using beige and the gold.
Now we're gonna set this aside and let it dry. I think this paint looks really good. Like, look at these geometrical shapes.
Yeah, look at these geometrical shapes, girl. I'm glad that we picked this design. Now that it's all dry, let's add a top. We're using some soft close hinges. We're gonna mark in 3/4 of an inch to where we wanna place our hinges. I'm gonna go ahead with the Forstner bit. Put on my safety glasses.
You sure will.
I'm gonna test to see if this goes in deep enough.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Just to let you know, she didn't go all the way through the board. See, she left a little bit.
I did. Yes, queen. Okay. Yes, we're all.
But I thought we was gonna have a
All right. Yes. And there you have it. An easy DIY step stool with a little bit of storage and helps the kids take on new responsibilities around the house. So now you can put all the dishes up.
Oh,
When
no.
Up, see, look. There we go.